a gift that you can use in any little way you choose.
Good. Open it up.
Ooh.
Open it up.
Oh, what's this?
What is it?
I don't know. Oh, he goes. Heck,
What is it, buddy?
it's a gift card. It's a gift card.
For where?
Santa.
Where, though? Where's the gift card to? Read it.
Okay.
What does it say right here?
Toys. Toys R Us. Toys R Us. Not
Toys R Us?
Toys R Us.
Where do you think that is? A place where you buy toys?
Yes.
That's from Uncle Duke. Can you...
A special gift just for you.
Special, yes. A special gift.
So that's from Uncle Duke. And
Zach
Uncle Duke gives me this one too?
Yes. What do you say?
Zach
Thank you!
What do you say?
talk. Zach talk.
What do you say?
Zach talk.
Zach, what do you say to Uncle Duke?
Goodbye.
No, what do you say for the gift, Zachary?
I love you, Uncle Duke.
And what else?
What do you say when someone gives something to you? There you go.
Look at the camera and say, thank you, Uncle Duke.
Thank you, Uncle Duke.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.